Hello students, here is Pradip Sir again to continue the chapter a pair of linear equations in two variables from class 10 mathematics. In the previous class we have learned how to know the nature of the lines graphically as well as algebraically by using the formula. Today I am going to show you how to find the solution of a pair of linear equations by graphical method. So in this case, two equations will be given to us. We have to find the solution set of both the equations, plot them on the graph paper, join them, we will obtain two straight lines. If the straight lines intersect at a point, then we will get unique solution. Okay, so let us start. So equation given from the textbook NCERT. This is exercise 3.2 question number 7. Exercise 3.2 question number 7. A pair of linear equation is given here. X minus y plus 1 equals to 0, and the second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. Okay, so first of all, as I have told you earlier, whenever we are going to find the solution set, we have to keep one of the variable in the left hand side and take everything to the right hand side. Both sides, same rule to be followed. So here I am taking y in the left hand side and all x and 1 on the other side. So if y goes that side, then x plus 1 equals to y, or we can say y is equals to x plus 1. Similarly here 2y is equals to 12 minus 3x, which implies y is equals to 12 minus 3x upon 2, or we can write 6 minus 3x upon 2. Now the solution set. This is the solution set for the first equation. X, y. We have to use 3 points according to the rule. So I am taking x as minus 1. If x is minus 1, then y will become 0. If x is 0, x is minus 1 should be put here, then y will become 0. If x is 0, then y will be 1. If x is 1, then y will be 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. Got it? Here, solution set for the second equation. Here I am taking the point as PQR. Okay? If I am taking x as 2, let me take x equals to 0. So if x is 0, then the whole part will be 0. So 6 minus 0 is 6. If x is 2, then 2 and 2 will be cancelled. So 6 minus 3 is 3. If x is 4, so 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. So y will be 0. So we have got the solution set of both the equations. Now we are going to plot it in the graph paper. So the solution set of both the equations are plotted. This is the line obtained from the first equation, that is x minus y plus 1 equals to 0, and the second equation 3x plus 2y equals to 12 represent the second line. The points of the first line here is A minus 1 0, this is B 0 1, and this is C 1 2. The points of the second line, P is 0 6, Q is 2 3, and R is 4 0. Now the question was obtain the solution graphically. We all know when the two lines meet at a point, that point is the solution of both the equations. That is, it is the common point of both the lines. So here both the lines are meeting at the point Q. So we can say that the solution of both the line is 2 3, that is the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So we can write, therefore required solution x equals to 2, y equals to 3. This is the first answer for the first part. Solve graphically was the question. This is the solution. Both the lines are meeting at the point 2 3, so the value of x is 2 and the value of y is 3. So solution is x equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Understood? In this way we can find the solution of two linear equations by using the graphical method. Some more parts are there in the question. Determine the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis. Now there are two lines and the x-axis. These three lines are forming a triangle. First of all, we have to find the coordinate of these 3 points. So let me write the answer here. Coordinate of the triangles. Coordinate of the vertices of the triangle, or the required triangle. Here required triangle means the triangle formed by these two lines and x-axis is, the first point is Q. So right here like this, Q 2 3. The second point is A. It is minus 1 0. A is minus 1 0, and the third is R 4 0. This was the first part of the question. This is the second part of the question, to write down the coordinates or the vertices of the triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis. This is the triangle formed QAR. Okay. One more question is there in this part. Set the triangular region. The triangle formed by these two lines and x-axis, we have to shade it. Shade it like this. So this is the triangle formed and the triangle is shaded. Now the whole question is answered. There were 3 questions in this question, part questions were there. One more question also comes, you can see in the exam paper also. To find the area of this triangle formed by these two lines and the x-axis. So the triangle is QAR. We have to find the area of that triangle. So let me find the area of this triangle. So you know that area of the triangle is half into base into height. So area of triangle QAR equals to half into base into height. So what is the base? Base is AR. And what is the height? The height, let me mark a point here. Let me take a point here, T. This is T. So height is QT. Half. Now what is the base? Base is the length AR, length of AR. So from here, from the origin, A is 1 unit, and from the origin R is 4 unit. Therefore A and R, total length of AR is 4 plus 1 equals to 5 units. See this, from here, from origin to R is 4 unit, and from origin to A is 1 unit. So total 4 plus 1 is 5. And what is QT? See this point correspond to 3 here. So the value of QT can be obtained from the y-axis. This is 3 unit. This height is 3 unit. So 3 unit. That is, we can say it is 15 upon 2 or 7.5 square units. Since it is area, so square units. Understood? So in this way we can find the area of the triangle also. The question can be changed. We have to find the area of triangle formed by these two lines and y-axis. So here is the triangle PQB. This is the triangle PQB we formed by these two lines and the y-axis. So we can also find the area of triangle PQB. So let me write here, area of triangle PQB. PQB is the triangle formed by these two lines and the y-axis. So here also half into base into height. Now what is the base? Base is PB. Now what is PB? See, P is from origin P is 6 unit and from origin B is 1 unit. So 6 minus 1. From B to P you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. So it is 5. And what is the height? This is the height. From x-axis you can obtain the height from origin to 2 units. That is, the height of the triangle PQB is 2 units. So right here 2. So 2 to cancel, it is 5 square units. So this type of question generally comes in the exam. Two lines will be given to you. Plot them on the graph paper, obtain the solutions graphically, and then find the coordinate of the triangle formed by these two lines with the x-axis, or the triangle formed by these two lines and y-axis. Set the triangles and find their areas. Areas formed by these two lines and x-axis, or areas formed by these two lines on y-axis. So this is the whole method. Hope you have understood. So if any pair of linear equation is given to you, then you can easily plot it on the graph paper and then solve all the related questions in it. Understood? Okay. So I am concluding this part here because there is nothing more in it. All the questions are of same type. You try to solve some more problems from the exam paper. Lot of questions are there in the exam paper of this graphical method. It will become much easier for you to solve any question after that. So in the next class I shall start I shall show you how to obtain the solutions of a pair of linear equations by algebraic method. Okay, so that's all for today. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.